Hey, what's up guys? My name is Sia. If this is your first time being here, you are welcome. And if it's not, welcome back anyways. Okay guys, so today I am coming back to you with another makeup tutorial. I'll be showing you how I do a soft glam look. So if it's something you guys are interested in watching, stay tuned. So my face has been primed, moisturized, and taken care of because I do have dry skin. So as you can see, it's nice and plumped. So we're gonna get right into the video without the rambling. Thing you guys know I always do is my brows. I have so many videos with the brows and how I do them. Very easy, very affordable. I'm just gonna do these off camera and I'll be back. Alright, so now that my brows are done, I'm gonna be going in with my Morphe eyelid primer. It's a little dirty, but you know, whatever. Now I'm just basically gonna blend that out. So next I'm going in with my James Charles palette. I really like this palette because it's very versatile. And it has several different colors that I love. So there's really no need for multiple palettes when you have this. I'll be going in with this color right here. It's not too dark, but it's also not that light. So basically going to use that as a transitional color. You just want to focus more so on the outer lid, not really like in the front. Just like, see how I'm just like on the outskirts of the eyelid. Next, I want to go in with the brown right there, this darker brown. On camera it looks quite light, but in person it's like a medium dark brown. And I'm just going to use that to blend out the color I just put in. So almost it's like mixing the two colors together. Then I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal, one of my favorite concealers. And I'm going to, this is white, and I'm going to use this to cut my crease. I do have several videos on how I cut my crease, and I can drop them in the description box below. But if you guys want me to do another cut crease tutorial, I guess I can do it for you guys. But y'all, it's not really that difficult. So just make sure when you're cutting the crease though, it stops right under that line, that the color. The two transitional colors that I use, make sure the white cut crease stops right under it. You don't want it to go above it or to completely cover that color. So I hope you guys can see. Let me zoom in so you guys can really see. So it's just, see how it's like still some color left at, see how some color left at the top? Just saying. Maybe you guys already knew that, but just saying. You see this? Look at how messy that looks. Oh gosh. You know what I need to get? I need to get a concealer brush because it'll make it easier for me and it'll come out neater if I'm using a brush instead of this brush. Alright, I'm gonna leave it alone before I mess it up. Just try to make it as even as possible. Then I take any kind of fluffy brush and just blend it out. Alright, so now I'm going in with my Juvia's Place palette. This is the Warrior by Juvia's palette. Y'all, this palette right here, man, listen, just peep for yourself. Bam! Look at that. I'm gonna be going in with this nude color right here, and I'm gonna use that in the very forefront of my eyes. Taking a very flat, can you guys see how flat that is? See how flat that is? Yes. And I'm going to apply the shadow to my eye. Just make sure you don't go all the way down. Like, there's a reason why I'm just keeping it up here. Just try to stay just kind of like just that far, and you don't have to go any further than that. hope you guys are seeing how pigmented this is. I hope it's picking up on camera. So now that that's done, oh my god, my face is a mess. Now that it's done, I'm gonna take the tanner shade. It's like a little darker than the nude shade that I used. And I'm gonna put that right next to where I ended the nude color. So about like right here, somewhere in the middle. Don't worry, I'm about to blend that in. Don't worry, I know it looks crazy right now, but watch me work. Watch me work, y'all. Don't fret. Don't panic. Just watch. So I'm placing it. Remember, we don't rub, we place, we pat on your eyelid. Like so. So now I'm going to take a separate brush that I did not use and blend the two colors together. But don't OD, like don't be just blending like extra hard. Just take your time. Softly blend because it's called a soft glam. So softly. You see that? Do you see? Softly blend in the middle right there. Don't just like so. See? You see? Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye. See, watch. And that's gonna get rid of that line. You see how the line is going now? Just if you need to blend some more, you blend some more. Lastly, I'm just gonna use that same dark brown color that I used before and put it on the very outside of my eyelids. I don't need a lot because, as you can see, it's pretty much already covered, but I'm just using that just to bring more depth and an ombre effect into the eyelid. So I'm going to use the same brush that I used the first time to transition. You don't need a lot. You don't need a lot. Just like so. Just like so. Just see, I pat literally like just a little bit. Just okay, so now we're going in with eyeliner. I got this eyeliner from e.l.f. It was only $2. And I like it. I just don't like how runny it can be sometimes, but I can't find my other eyeliner pencil, so I guess we're going in with this today. I don't want to do too much. Soft glam. It's called soft glam for a reason. Let's not make it complex glam, complicated glam, team too much glam. Don't go all the way to the end. Just stop midsection, just right, well, a little over midsection, just right there. And bam, voila. Voila. I'm actually going to leave my lashes till the very end because I want you guys to see how bomb of a difference lashes make. So yeah, I don't know if I said that right, but you guys, you know what I mean. You know what I mean. I'm just going to take these little, this is a little, what do you even call this? This little pomade. And as you can see, it is somewhat used. I'm just going to use that in my tear ducts. Just right there, just soft, just a little bit. I'm literally taking like the tiniest brush I own and just gonna pat in there, just tap in there and put it in my tear ducts like so. Let me use a different brush, just like so. Just like that. See, it doesn't even, it's just a little bit. I'm gonna just take my finger and blend it out. Next is foundation. I'm using my go-to, my wonderful, my awesome Juvia's Place foundation stick. I love this foundation stick so much, you guys. Like, y'all know how I feel about it. It's just the perfect, perfect, perfect shade. I think that's why I love it so much. And again, my face has already been primed and everything. Y'all. Okay. If you haven't seen my reaction video, go check that out too. Peep that. I have a whole video which explains the shade, the process, how I pick the shade, all that. But anyway. Wow, I literally look like a pumpkin. Why is it looking like this on camera? Anyway, I'm going in with their Juvia's Place concealer. Again, the color and everything, I have a video on it. As you guys know, I always spray my beauty blender, so I'm using the MAC Prep and Primer Fix Plus Spray mini version. Just nice and moist and blend. Blend your life away. Just blend. Concealer does so much for you. Like, concealer is literally slept on because it's just amazing what it does. Y'all, it's coming together. It's coming together. Watch. Don't sleep on me. Don't sleep on me. It's coming together, guys. So guys, see how the concealer pretty much evens out the foundation? Yeah, you didn't know all of that, did you? You didn't see all that coming. Next, I'm taking my loose face powder from Airspun, the original formula. I usually use this whenever my foundations are low-key reddish because it's a translucent color. So try not to put too much, of course. While I let that bake, I'm going in with my favorite contour stick. This is from Fenty Beauty in the shade Espresso, one of her match sticks. You guys already know this. This is like an older product, but I really, really like it. That's the only one I use to contour. I don't even contour like that, you guys, but sometimes, sometimes I want to show out, so why not? I don't go all on my jaw and all of that because I have a structured jawline, so I don't need to do all of that. And I take a brush that looks like this and I use that to blend my contour out and blend upward, as you know, or you should know if you're watching my videos. Don't sweep it across your face, just pat and pat up. So I don't want this to blend for too long, so after I'm done with the contour, I always just wipe off the excess powder. And I use my foundation brush, so just wipe it off. Sometimes I do blush, sometimes I don't, so I'm not going to be doing blush today. So for highlight today, I'm using my Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio Metallic Highlighter. This is what it looks like, and it's in the shade 100. That is not the darkest. The darkest is 200, but at the time when I was looking for it, 200 was out, so I got 100, but it actually ended up looking really, really nice on me. I normally like a nice bold highlight, but since this is soft, that's the theme of the day. So we're staying away from those bold glitters for today. I'm bridging my nose, my cupid's bow. So for lashes today, I'm gonna be using these lashes that I got from AliExpress. I don't remember the exact name of them, but I know they were like almost $3 or something like that. So we already know, very affordable, very easy to use. You can use them multiple times. And I use hair glue to put on my lashes. It just works for me. It's just easier that way. You all, it just transforms your face. I love lashes. I don't care what nobody say. Lashes, listen, okay. If you know, you know. So the semi-last step is my lips. So I use my eyebrow pencil that I got from the beauty supply store, and I also use it for my brows. I'm going to use that to outline my lips first. Next, I'm going in with the butter gloss from NYX called Creme Brulee, and I'm going to put that right on top of my lips. I love NYX butter glosses, you guys. I've been using this since college. Yo, you can't beat this lip combo. Like, lastly, for setting spray, I'm using my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I love this setting spray, you guys. It does wonders. Oh my gosh. Shake, y'all. I'm running out. Oh my gosh. Y'all, anybody want to give me a belated birthday gift? Y'all, I'm running out. Give me some setting spray. So let me get my life together. Hold on, y'all. Hold on, you guys. Let me come back. Let me come back. Hold on. All right, I am back, you guys. And this is the final product. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I just ended up curling my hair, and I put on some hoops and a nice top. And this is pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave me a thumbs up, comment, share, like this video, turn on your post notifications so you are MVP to all of my videos. Make sure you guys subscribe, you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.